Hello and welcome to Master's Teach. And today we are going to discuss about the ICT fundamentals, which is a part of your AP DSC. And let us start with a nice presentation here. What is the fundamentals of computers and application? So we are going to study about the computer technology, systems, digital tools for modern education and professional practices. So this particular PPT I am going to post in description so you can study on your free time. Okay, it is very interesting class. If you are new viewer, please do subscribe and share with your friends, and entire content is at free of cost. I am Mohan, working as a B.Ed lecturer. Okay, let us start. So, types of computer. The computers are divided into personal computers, servers, mainstreams, mobile devices. So, personal computers, you know that every day we use this desktop, laptop. Okay, and for the individual purposes as well as office and educational institutions. Then servers, where powerful machines manage networks, databases, and providing service to multiple users simultaneously. Then mainstream computers, these are the large scale systems, okay, which handles a lot of data and processing for enterprises, companies, corporate world, and the government organizations. Then mobile devices, we use the smartphones, tablets, okay, etc. So it is portable. You can carry from anywhere to anywhere. It is a touch enabled format. So personal computer, servers, mainstreams, and mobile devices. So what is the key characteristics of computer? So one is speed. It is very high speed, accuracy, storage, automation, and versatility. So what is speed? So millions of instruction per second which will be processed. It has a great efficiency. The speed is the one of the characteristics of the computer. Then accuracy. So it delivers very precise results with the minimal error or no error with the properly programmed. Then storage. So huge amount of data is stored and retrieved instantly whenever we want. Automation. So it executes complex problems and automatically without any human interference. So versatility. So it performs diversified tasks from calculation to multimedia creation. Everything is done. The characteristics are of the computer: speed, accuracy, storage, automation, and versatility. Then what is the computer components? We are studying from the childhood. So input devices, output devices, okay, hardware, software, memory devices, maintenance. So what is hardware? So the the equipment we can touch and feel. So physical equipments, components like CPU, central processing unit, motherboard, RAM, storage devices. Okay, so these are the components. And input devices: keyboard, mouse, okay, and output devices: monitor, printer, etc. So these are called hardware. And software, the programs and application that instruct the hardware, including system software and application software for various tasks. So memory systems. So the primary memory we called as RAM, ROM, read access memory, then read only memory. So these are the immediate processing. And the secondary storages are hard disk and SSDs for the short term, long term data retention. So we can store the data in HDD or SSDD for the, it can be retained for the longer period. Then maintenance. So in order to save our computer, it need to be regularly updated, and it should be cleaned, and virus protection should be there, hardware checks to ensure the optimal performance and longevity. Okay, so operating systems, so which help the run the computer. So there is a DOS, okay, disk operating system. So it is a command line interference system. So it is a foundation for understanding computer operations and file management. So Windows, everybody knows, it is very user friendly graphical interface, okay, widely used in education, business environment worldwide. Then Macintosh, okay, which is used in Apple computer. So Apple initiative OS operating system known as creative application, design work, and seamlessly device integration. That is Macintosh. Okay, then mobile apps. We use the Android, iOS platforms. Okay, even Google. Uh, these are the platforms which offers the educational apps, learning management system. Learning management system we can call as LMS, and teaching tools. These are the operating systems: DOS, Windows, Macintosh, and mobile apps. Okay, so you can take the screenshot of this. However, I'm going to post in my description. Then essential for the software application. One is word processing, presentation, statistical tools. So what is word processing do? We can create, edit, format text, documents for the reports, letters, academic papers. This is a word process mainly for the formatting text for reports, letters, and academic papers. Then presentation. So it is the design for visual slideshow, multimedia elements for effective communication and teaching. For example, PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Then statistical tools. So these are the software which helps analyzing the data, creating charts, generating insight thought spreadsheets, and specialized software. The essential software applications are word processing, presentation, and statistical tools. Then creative and publishing software. Okay, one is page layout, second one is multimedia, third one is web page creation. So the page layout. So it is a desktop publishing tools for creating professional brochures, newsletters, and magazines with the precise formatting. Then multimedia. It is a combination of text, images, audio, video to create uh, engaging educational content and presentation. Then web page creation. So building website like HTML, CSS, and design tool for online presence and digital portfolios. Okay, so different computer networks and internet. So network connects the multiple devices to share data and application efficiently across location. So the network types are LAN, local area network, WAN, wide area network, and wireless networks enable the communication and resource sharing. So internet, we everybody knows that it is the global connectivity providing access to information, services, and communication platforms. Then it comes to the digital space. So where you can store the information, that is called as cloud storage, online platforms, and virtual environment for modern work and learning. Then email systems. So it is electronic messaging for the professional communication, file and sharing, and collaboration. So what is the applications of digital technology? So this digital technology can be used education, business, communication, research. So in education, online learning platforms, virtual classrooms, digital libraries, and interactive educational content. Then, for the business, e commerce, digital marketing, remote collaboration, automated business processes. Then, communication, okay, where we can do video conferencing, social media, instant message, and global connectivity tools. So it comes to the research. So it is a data analysis, scientific computing, collaborate research platforms, and knowledge and sharing. So these are the application where you can use the technology for the education, for business, for communication, and research. Okay. So what is the challenges we face in digital age? Okay, we get cyber security threats. Then there is a digital divide. Will There is a concern of privacy concerns. There is a rapid technology change. So cyber security. So we have to protect our system data from viruses, malwares, hacking, and unauthorized access, so requires constant vigilance on our computer. So this is cyber security threat is a major challenge for the digital age. Then digital divide. So not everybody gets the same opportunity to use the digital. Okay, so unequal access to technology and internet connectivity creates the education and economic disparities. Okay, because rich people and those who are staying urban or metro cities, they have the good access of technology and internet connectivity, where in rural or remote villages they don't have the facilities and don't have the money to purchase this devices. So there is a division, this division called as digital divide. Then when you are using internet, there is a concern of privacy. Okay, so it is managing personal data is very difficult, maintaining confidentiality and navigating digital footprint in online spaces. It is very difficult. Then the technology changes. It is a constantly changing. Today's latest one, tomorrow it's going to be updated. So rapid technology changes. Keep pace with the evolving technology requires continuous learning and adaptation in education networks. So there is always innovation is there. According to that, you have to run along with the latest technology. So this is the challenges we face. So if you're really like my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. And my channel name is Masters Teach, and you can download my full course for the AP TET. It is completely in English. Okay, uh, my app name is Mohan's Teaching Corner. So the complete course will be given in simple language and everyday PPTs will be uploaded. Then personalized information will be given. So you can get in touch with me. The number is mentioned 800 883 2400. Okay, these are the thing. So do watch and subscribe. Okay, then we'll meet in the coming classes. All the best for your coming TET examination. Okay, we'll meet in next class. Thank you.